In this video, I am going to show you step by step how to add a payment method to your Facebook ad account using Meta Business Suite. Whether you are running ads for the first time or setting up a new account, this guide will help you get started quickly and easily. So let's jump into it. First, head over business.facebook.com and log in to your Meta Business Suite account. Once you are logged in, things might look slightly different depending on your setup, but don't worry, just click on all tools in the left hand menu. Go to billing and payments. This is where you will manage everything related to your ad account billing. Now click on Payment Methods tab, then hit the Add button to enter your new payment details. Here you will see several options depending on your country like debit card, credit card or PayPal. Choose the method that's work best for you. Then click on Next button and fill in your details, then click on Save button. That's it. You have successfully added a payment method to your Facebook ad account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the digital marketing tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.